Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Adobe Creative Cloud, beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for Adobe Creative Cloud. Press the Enter key on your keyboard. Once the page loads, look for the Sign In button. Click on the Sign In button located in the top right corner. You will be directed to the Login page. Here, enter your Adobe ID in the first field. If you do not have an Adobe ID, click on Get an Adobe ID to create one. Next, move to the Password field and enter your password. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password. After entering your credentials, click on the blue Sign In button. You might be asked to verify your identity through email or SMS. Check your email or text messages for a verification code. Enter the verification code in the provided field. Click the Verify button. Once verification is successful, you will be directed to the Adobe Creative Cloud dashboard. From here, you can access all your Adobe applications and services. Explore the dashboard to familiarize yourself with the available options. If you have multiple plans or products, ensure you select the correct Adobe account. Congratulations, you are now logged into Adobe Creative Cloud. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.